Hello and good day. This one is Toyota Aqua from 2013. We have currently replaced its starting battery. We have installed Varta, which is 40 Ah battery. It is placed under the back seat, and currently we have installed scanner and checked all the health report of this vehicle. There are issues and fault code due to the previously installed weak battery. Some of the fault codes were erased in the power control module of this vehicle. We will clear this fault memory. As you know, these hybrid vehicles, after replacing old bad battery, the scanners should be installed, and all these fault codes should be removed so that your vehicle power control module will recover and give you a healthy drive. As you can see, all of the fault codes are now gone and vehicle is now ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.